Alright, it's much warmer today. Had a nice 27 degrees, but thankfully no wind. That's why you can hear me, I think. Last night it was pretty windy and the hoist isn't quite sitting on the ground very flat, so this thing was flexing everywhere. So I taunted up the ropes, and I haven't really shown how I do this, but there's a reason why these cables are so long. The winch is in free spool now, which means you can go wherever you pull it. So I pull the ropes and out comes my hooks. Alright, to get the ropes in, got to lift the wall up a bit. All I do is slide that in there, and it fits. That was easy because the other side is already up in the air. For some reason, my dad's favorite part of building is the sill gasket, so he's installing that now. Wall's ready to go up. I'm going to use the force push to get it started. Standing on the wall. It's okay. Get under it. It should be good. What a pain these walls are, huh? Yeah, lifting these walls takes all the energy I have. Fighting with them. Ugh. All right, y'all ready?
Yep. Oh, wait a minute. You're riding on top of this wall.
Aiden, please don't touch the
Lips. Ready? Yeah, it's locked up against. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. Yeah, looking good. Snatch it! Aiden, come over here.
Pretty cool, babe.
You like it?
Yeah.
Don't touch, you're going to get electrocuted.
All right, 2 wall sections are up. Time to move the hoist and get the rest in. So the hoist is in position for the next wall. What we do here is we put these little 2x6 blocks up to make sure the wall hits that, then lifts up. Then we can lift the wall up, move it in, and lower it over the pipe. Make sense? Good. I'll put the camera there where you can see it, so you can tell what we do.
That's good.
All right, now he's going to pull the block out and you'll see what happens. Now we're right over the bolts. Wall is up in the air and we're not going to hit any pipes.
Yeah.
All right, last wall. This rope right here was pulling a little less than the side on the right. So I retied the knot, so we should go up a little straighter this time. So let's see how it goes. Oh, that's better, huh?
Yeah. A little sooner now, but it's not bad. Wait a minute. Did you put them on the ground?
What?
Why does it put those on the ground?
So when it pulls back, it stays where it should go. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's right. We have to hammer that top plate in, remember? And the last couple more. Then we need to straighten the bolts. You didn't do that. Just straighten the bolts up here. Are they on the bolts at all?
Well, that's it for today. I didn't hit record when we were standing up this last wall. I really got to start paying attention to that. Last wall is up. Put a piece of OSB on it to keep it in square. Put a level on it. It is nice and perfectly level. All the wall sections, they're all good and straight. We got some junky lumber holding them all level. And for the most part, we didn't really build any more walls really, except for that one. Just stood them all up, made sure they're nice and square and level. So all in all, not too bad. It's really coming along. Our framing skills are getting a lot better. So we should have this place done in no time.